70,000 BTU gas furnace here in the basement townhouse, walkout basement. 80% flue pipe, it's 4-inch single wall. Goes up to a single wall T to a 5-inch riser double wall, class A. 16 by 16 return drop, has zoning, Linux. It's 2 Aprilaires with 1 Honeywell. Side return here, 7-inch. 14-inch furnace and coil, 24 tall, 21 deep, 13 by 20 riser, 23.5 inches tall, transitions up, 21. Floor drain in front of the system, 14.2 low voltage wire, AC conductors. That's for the humidifier. They look to be 5 wire, both are 5 wire.